super rich. But a motorcycle? I don't need that. Well, let's start off to work it. Good morning to you, sir.
Oh, good morning to you. Sir Bristol, having some change, buy yourself a meal.
What? I don't need this. I am rich.
'Tis barely believable. You do not have a motorcycle.
What? What is a motorcycle?
It is a method of transportation, the likes of which I'm riding right now.
But I have my horse and buggy.
Exactly, because thou art poor.
Thou art correct, I suppose. Where can I beseech one? Without a motorcycle, I am as good as a groundling.
There will be a motorcycle stand outside of Romeo and Juliet. I'll show you. Present day, since half off.
Wow.
Don't beast the groundling, receiveth a motorcycle. Warning, we are not responsible for any deaths or injuries. While using the motorcycle, it could cause severe burns, shortness of breath, and even death. So please, if you experience any of these, call your doctor immediately. To find out more information, call 1-800-RECEIVETH-A-MOTORCYCLE